Hello, my favorite English language learners. It is your favorite English teacher here, Amy Joy, and in today's video, I am going to tell you the difference between the word lack and lack of. And actually, I'm not just going to tell you, I am going to make you figure out the difference between these two commonly confused words. So let's get started. Okay, let's take a look at this chart. We are going to compare the sentences that use lack with the sentences that use lack of. And while we are reading, I want you to pay attention to what part of speech, a noun, verb, adjective, adverb, is the word lack in each sentence. So look through these sentences, look at the word lack, and figure out if it is a noun, verb, adjective, or adverb. Let's look at the first pair of sentences. Number 1, since my roommates speak my language, I lack opportunities to practice English. And a lack of practice will prevent you from improving. Number 2, I often lack the motivation to study. And my lack of motivation results in procrastination. Number 3, the program lacks the money to pay for new textbooks. And their lack of money keeps them from buying materials. And the last one, number 4, the president lacked support from the other party. And this lack of support resulted in no laws being passed. So in all of the sentences with just the word lack, what part of speech is this word? Is it a noun, verb, adjective, or adverb? Well, if you said a verb, then you are correct. All of these sentences use the word lack as a verb, and notice there is no preposition after it. So our rule is when you use lack by itself with no of, then it is a verb. And it is always followed by a direct object, which will be a noun. And this direct object will be the thing that the person or the subject doesn't have. So back to our examples, we have lack opportunities, lack the motivation, lacks the money, and lacked support. We have lack plus a direct object. But let's take a look at lack of. In our examples, what word form, what part of speech is lack? If you said a noun, then you are correct. When you use lack of, you are using lack as a noun. So in our examples, the word lack is a noun, and it is followed by the preposition of. And then of is followed by another noun, and that is the object of the preposition. So looking again at our examples, we have a lack of practice, my lack of motivation, their lack of money, and this lack of support. So interestingly, these words actually have the same meaning, but the only difference is in their grammar or the part of speech that they play in a sentence. So again, our rules. When using lack by itself, it will be a verb followed by a direct object, which is a noun. And use lack of when you want to use lack as a noun, maybe the subject of a sentence, followed by the preposition of, and then an object of the preposition, which is a noun. So I'll show you one last comparison to make sure you really got it. She lacks confidence. She is the subject, lacks is the verb, confidence is the direct object. There is no of because lack is a verb and it is followed directly by the direct object or what she does not have. And the next one, her lack of confidence makes her shy. So here our subject is the noun lack and it is followed by the preposition of and then the object of the preposition, confidence, which is also a noun, and the thing that she does not have. So, like I said, the meaning of these two words is the same. The only difference is the grammar or the word form that they take. So now that you know the difference between lack and lack of, practice with me. Tell me in the comments below, what is something that you or your country lack? I'll go first. So I'm from California. It's not a country, but that's my state. And California is in a drought. There is no rain. So we lack water. We is the subject, lack is the verb, water is your direct object. And unfortunately, this lack of water has resulted in a lot of forest fires. So here we have the noun lack, the preposition of, and then the object of the preposition, what we don't have, water. So now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments below, and I look forward to reading your answers. All right, that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you learned something new, and I will see you next time. Bye!